Sisha using the Visual Studio. As you guys can already see, I have created a form because in the previous videos we have already known that how to create a form and name it. So you can see I have created a form and named it as the login form, and I have added 2 panels in it. In the first panel, I have colored the purple, and in the second panel, I am deciding which color would suit the best with the purple. As you can see, I am changing the green and then the different color, and yes, I have decided a pink color. So yes, we will select the pink color with the purple one. It's a good combination. So now moving to the toolbox, and we will add the labels. So we can add some text in our panels. So I have added the label 1 and I am changing its text to admin login. So you can also change the font properties with the help of the property windows. And now I am adding the 2 labels more. So now you can see I have also added the login button, so it would help me in my login process. And you can see the code. I have also added a code for your ease. You can also seek help in regards of the code from the ChatGPT, or you can use my code for your program. So this is the basic overview of the code. It consists of the queries, connections, commands, just each and every necessary thing of our basic code. So now moving forward to our SQL database, I have created a database of namely bank database, and I am creating a table like login table, and for its properties I have specified ID, password and username. And I have also specified the identity specification as yes, because according to our need or as per mandatory specifications, this was compulsory and I have to do it. So as you can see, I have created a table, and my server explorer in the Visual Studio is also showing up that I have made the connection. So now by right clicking on my C# project, I can also add new classes or forms, and I have added a new form, namely main form, and you can see I am adding new specifications in my form. So very interesting. So yes, a very interesting thing to share is that I have added my EID diagram of bank management system in this project. Actually, I have to edit a picture in this, so I found this EID and I thought why not. So it would be a memory, and it would be nice to add the EID diagram in our visual project too. So yes, I have now moving forward, I have created a label, and I am naming my label as the bank management system and setting its properties with the help of the property window. You can set various kind of the specifications with the help of the property window. I moving in the next part of this project, you can see I have changed the font size, font style, font color. So yes, now you can see I have named different kind of the labels like customers. I have created one label and then copied it, and now I am changing the text of my copied labels according to their needs. So my labels are respectively customers, accounts, transactions, employees and dashboards in my main design. So yes, our main design program or layout is really ready. So moving forward to the customer form, that is one of my favorite forms like I have created so far. So you can see I have added different kind of the specifications like font size, color size, panel colors, background colors and different kind of the labels. So I have basically added two panels. My main panel consists of the customer label and my second panel consists of the customer's attributes labels, and now I am adding the text boxes in front of every label. So like C# is all about the drag and drop. You can add specifications of your own. Like, it seems very wonderful that you can visualize your project. You can add different colors, different designs, different layouts your project. So yeah, you can see I have added the buttons in the different colors. Like, it seems good, and I have added the buttons in the different alignments, not the traditionally like line wise. So you can see the code 2 of my customer table, and I have added the connection string and everything that is mandatory. So yes, you can have help from my code, or you can generate your own code of your own will. Now moving forward to my account form, I am seeking help for my previously created forms. Like, I am using the label of my customer form, and now I am adding the text box and different kind of the labels and panels in my account form, so that it can also have the buttons like the save, add, delete, update, etc. So I have added a text box from my toolbox, then I have added the labels, and I have just copied the previous labels like the search labels, and now I will change their text properties according to my will. I have also created a panel, so it would help me to separate my different panels and my data grid view. So yes, I have created the labels, and now I would add my basic buttons like add, save, delete and update. These buttons will help me in processing of my login form, and yes, they would help me to add, delete and update the accounts for the customers. Now I am adding the data grid view, and you can also set the properties of the data grid view. I have changed the background color of the data grid view. So this is the code for my account form, and yes, I am changing the SQL query connection string. You have to name your desktop in your string. No need to copy my desktop or the AI given desktop. It would not work for you. You have to name your desktop name for your code. Now moving to the transaction part with the transaction table. I have also added the tables for the previous like employee and accounts or customers, but yes, I have not mentioned it in the video. You can create it with the help of the login that I have just mentioned in the first part of the video. And yes, you don't have to write the code again and again for every design. You can just write the code for the one, and then you can copy it and use it in the next part. This would help you because we are using the same buttons all over again. So yes, I have moved my transaction part, and I have created a different attributes like transaction ID, transaction type, and this is my code part, which consists of the different attributes, and you have to change the parameters value and the text boxes values according to your need and according to your form demand. So yes, here is one of our vibrant forms like the employee form, the purplish form. I have added different specifications to it also. Like, I have added the attributes of the employee name, employee CNIC, current job, and the employee's contact info. So as I have stated earlier that we would be adding the labels, text boxes and the same buttons all over our form. So no need to worry or hurry both. You can do it. So yes, be calm and stay positive. We can create our best projects. So let's have an overview of our all the forms till now. We have created a customer, employee, main, login forms, and yes, we will also add the buttons in our employee forms. we will be using our customer form, account form, and the login form. For our this form specialization, like we can just copy and paste our previous specifications in our this form. We will be using our customer form, account form, and the login form. For our this form specialization, like we can just copy and paste our previous specifications in our this form. So our employee form is nearly ready, so we can add data grid view from the account form. And yes, I have added the data grid view. As I have stated earlier, I have changed this color to the white. It's like naturally like silver or gray, but I liked white with my forms, so I changed the background color property. So now moving to the dashboard, the most amazing part of our form, like it consists of the counts of our transactions, accounts, customers. So yes, I have created an IFAF bank system and its dashboard. So I have changed different kind of the labels and their properties. And yes, the initial score is 1. Don't forget to mark the initial score as 0. So here is our code for our dashboard. So you can use this code in your program and seek help from it. So yes, when you enter your username and password, if it's correct, it will